This equation is going to go over solving equations when you first have to combine like terms. So we're going to look at this first equation right here, and our goal is to have one variable on one side of the equation. So the very first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get rid of parentheses. All comes back to PEMDAS by distributing here. Now I'm going to stop distributing at the 3 because my parentheses end. When the parentheses end, so does your distributing. Negative 2 times a is negative 2a. Negative 2 times positive 3 is negative 6. And then I'm going to bring down minus a equals 0. Now I'm going to combine my like terms. I have a negative 2a and another negative 1a, so that's negative 3a minus 6 equals 0. From here, I have a standard two-step equation. I am going to add 6 to both sides of this equation to get negative 3a equal to 6. I'm going to divide by negative 3 on both sides, and I'm going to get a is equal to negative 2. So just to recap, the first thing I did was distribute to get rid of parentheses, then I combined my like terms, then I solved to get this equation. When I go to do my check, I am going to rewrite the equation as it was given to us, and we think a is negative 2, so we are going to plug negative 2 in every place that there is an a. So I have negative 2 times negative 2 plus 3 minus negative 2 is equal to 0. The question is this true? Does the left equal the right? From here, I can do normal order of operations, which I would do parentheses first. So negative 2 plus 3 is 1. So this is negative 2 times 1 minus negative 2 ends up being plus 2. So this gives me negative 2 plus 2, which does indeed equal 0. So that shows that we have the check. This next example does not have any parentheses, so there's no distribution to do. You start right off with combining like terms. Try it and see how you do. Here is the answer. The first thing I did was combine 12a and negative 8a to get 4a. From here, I solved and got negative 3 over 2, or you could have written this as negative 1.5. Either one works. When you plug it in, it does check, so that is the answer. We have some practice that I want you to try. Solving equations, combining like terms, and distributing where necessary. Go ahead and try. Let's do 2 at a time. So let's start with 1 and 2, and then we'll come back and check those, and then we'll move on from there. Here are our answers for 1 and 2 with the checks. M equals 4.8 and D equals 2. Now let's try 3 and 4. Here are the solutions and checks for 3 and 4. We have J equals 9.25. Here's the check. And B equals 5. Here's the check. Now let's do 5 and 6. And here are our answers for 5 and 6. We have x equals negative 6 and m is equal to 1.